By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of push-up workout right way. Ready to transform your push-up routine and maximize your gains? Let's dive in. Push-ups are one of the most effective exercises for building up a body strength, but it's crucial to perform them correctly to avoid injury and get the best results. Today, we're going to break down the right way to do push-ups, ensuring you get the most out of every rep. We'll cover proper form, learn the correct body alignment and hand positioning, common mistakes, identify and avoid the most common push-up errors, variations, explore different push-up variations to target various muscle groups and increase difficulty, progression tips to improve your push-up strength and endurance over time, visual demonstrations. Proper form. Starting position. Begin in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core throughout. Execution. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle from your body. Push back up to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Common mistakes. Sagging hips. Maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. Avoid letting your hips drop. Flared elbows. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to protect your shoulders. Push-up variations. Knee push-ups. Great for beginners or those looking to build strength. Incline push-ups. Perform push-ups with your hands elevated on a bench or step to reduce intensity. Decline push-ups. Place your feet on an elevated surface to increase the difficulty and target your upper chest. Progression tips. Increase reps gradually. Start with a manageable number of reps and gradually increase as you build strength. Add weight. Use a weighted vest or place a weight plate on your back to add resistance. Story. Imagine you're at the gym, struggling with push-ups. You notice someone effortlessly doing perfect push-ups and wonder what their secret is. By focusing on proper form and gradually progressing, you can become that person. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Summary and next steps recap. Today, we covered the correct push-up form, common mistakes, various push-up variations, and progression tips to help you master push-ups. Next steps. Practice these tips and variations regularly. Gradually increase your reps and try more challenging variations as you get stronger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your push-up progress or any questions you have. Keep pushing your limits and stay fit.